welcome back to Photonic Luminescence. Today, I want to show you this Osram colored incandescent light bulb. So let's get started. Now, I wanted to make another video about an incandescent light bulb because I've checked out. Now, there are a lot of light bulbs that I want to plan coming, but I was like, oh, we don't have an incandescent light bulb. So today I'm going to show you this awesome Osram bulb. There's really not a lot I can say about it really. I mean, there's at least an efficiency scale E, but like we have the A++ thing, and that's really it. It's called just Osram D-Core, 11 watts. The 1000 hours. It's incandescent, obviously, and the best part is that it's new. But we have here some information. D-Core color, D-Core A orange, and this is really what I like about this light bulb a lot, that it's actually an orange light bulb, as you can see. So let's take a look at the etching or branding. Yeah, 240 volts, 11 watt Osram, China. That doesn't scare me. So yeah, by the way, all I just really wanted to say is that I use this bulb actually as my desk light because you will see in a bit that the diffuser is very good. So we are going to do that. Okay, so I'm going to turn the bulb on. There we have. Now I know on camera it doesn't look that good, but you can actually not see the filament. This means that the diffusion is very good. I really like this bulb. I wish LEDs had something like this, and actually I'm still using this as a desk lamp because this is just the most awesome thing. Now I'm going to dim it because we can. Okay, it does blink, but the dimming is actually quite well. I mean, quite awesome. But this is anyway very dim, and now I'm going to just show you. Let me stand the camera angle, and while you see a bit of grain, which I mean it is not very bright, but this is a very awesome night light. I really like it. Maybe I don't even need a lampshade. This is just perfect. Plus, if I want it a bit dimmer, I just dim it a bit down. So I really like the ambience that this bulb gives. I really wish LEDs had something like this. I have some filament ones, but I still really like this one quite a lot. It doesn't get even hot, to be honest, and the bulb is, even after use, not hot at all. I really like it. So this Osram bulb is really one of my favorite light bulbs, to be honest, that I have. Okay, so I put it now back in the box. So yeah, I really like this bulb, and I wish LEDs would have something like this good of a diffuser. I'll have maybe to search, but I definitely think this is a very awesome light bulb. Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment and subscribe and like this video if you thought that this bulb is very awesome. Next, we're going to have a fluorescent Sylvania tube. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in next video. Goodbye.